Nifty Nouns. Mastering countable nouns in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic in our Grammar Fundamentals series, countable nouns. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what countable nouns are and how to use them correctly. Let's get started. Countable nouns, as the name suggests, are nouns that we can count. In other words, we can quantify them with numbers. They can have both singular and plural forms. So, if you can add an s to the end of a word, it's likely a countable noun. For example, 1 apple, 2 apples. 1 dog, 3 dogs. 1 book, 5 books. Remember that when we are talking about only one, singular, of something countable, we generally use a or n before the noun. For example, I saw a cat in the garden. She is reading an article about climate change. When we are talking about more than one, plural, we do not use a or n. We can use some, many, a few, etc. For example, I have some pencils in my bag. There are many people at the concert. Let's explore more examples of countable nouns to help you solidify this concept. Chair. You might say, there is a chair in the room, or there are 4 chairs in the room. Car. You could say, I bought a new car, or she has 3 cars. City. You might express, he lives in a bustling city, or there are several cities in this region. So, you can see that these countable nouns can take singular and plural forms, and can be counted with numbers. And there you have it. You're now a pro when it comes to understanding and using countable nouns in English. Remember, these are words we can quantify or count, and they can take both singular and plural forms. We hope this video has made countable nouns crystal clear for you. Keep practicing, and you'll master this in no time. Until next time, happy learning!